everyone, welcome back to Roger Journal. I'm Alice. Today I'd like to share how I add Endpapers when I make books. I like adding Endpapers to my journals because it makes them look more real books, and also it adds more interest, especially when journal is made of only plain blank pages. So you need 2 pieces of papers. You can use scrap papers, wrapping papers, thick or thin. Just make sure it is big enough to cover the inside cover and the first page. And also you need signatures and cover ready to bind. First, take the first sheet and the last one from signatures, and we are going to glue them to Endpapers. This is for the front cover. So I'm going to apply glue on the first page and attach it to the Endpaper. I'm aligning the papers. Make sure there's no bubbles between 2 papers. If you have a bone folder, you can use it too. Now fold it. It doesn't matter you don't fold it now, but it's much easier to bind if you fold it. So it's like this. The left side is for inside cover and 2 papers glued together. And now this is the first page of the book. We will do the same for the end paper for the back cover. This time I'm going to glue the last page to the left side of the end paper for the back cover. End paper for the back is done as well. Now I'm going to trim the excess at the top. If they are not aligned perfectly, you can trim other sides a little bit as well. I am not trimming this side, which will be glued to the inside cover, because I'm going to trim it after binding. I found that this way it gets done neater. I'm doing the same for another one. Now I'm going to bind off the camera. Binding is done. It's like this. I'm going to do the front cover first. I'm marking where the cover ends and trimming the excess. For me, this is easier than measuring and calculating beforehand. Now I'm going to use glue stick and double-sided tape. I add double-sided tape on the edges. It will work only with glue stick, but double-sided tape makes the paper less curled. I'm using glue stick because the paper is thin, but if the paper is thick, it's better to use liquid glue like tacky glue or PVA glue. I'm attaching the paper from inside to outside really carefully so there's no wrinkle. And always take care of the edge as well. I'm pushing and kind of scoring the hinge part with bond folder to close the cover. And make sure the paper is attached on the hinge part well. And I'm moving to the back and I'll do the same. It's all done. Now you can see the results. You can add end paper after you bind, but I found this way is easier and done neater. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I really hope I explained myself well. If you have any question, feel free to leave it in the comment below, and I'll do my best to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye!